Congratulations on your new smart electronic door lock from Heimgard. This instruction video comes in 3 parts, guiding you through the process of removing your old door lock, mounting your new Heimgard Smart Lock, and how to configure it. Before installing your new Heimgard door lock, refer to the user manual to ensure you have everything you need. During installation, please keep the emergency key in your pocket and always keep your door or an alternative entrance open. The following steps are for single-point locks only. If you have a multi-point mortise lock, please refer to the user manual or contact customer support for guidance prior to your installation. Check that your new lock is compatible with your door dimensions and that the strike plate fits within the recessed area of your door jamb. When opening the door toward you, determine whether it's hinged on the left or the right side. Before we can adjust the latch bolt orientation, make sure you have the hook bolt in a retracted position. If the hook bolt is extended, insert a through spindle into your exterior door handle and insert your key and turn to unlock, allowing the handle to operate. Now, insert the spindle into your mortise lock and push downwards to retract the hook bolt. With the hook bolt out of the way, ensure that the latch bolt and auxiliary latch are oriented correctly, with the slope facing in the direction of the door closing. Now slide the mortise lock into your door and fasten it. If the door handle is oriented the wrong way, unscrew the mounting screw to lift and reposition the handle as needed for your door. Now refasten the mounting screw and make sure to line up the left-right indicator with the arrow to fit the hinge direction of your door. Note that if you have pets or small children in your house, you can choose to mount the interior handle vertically, making it harder to operate. Now, select the through spindle that fits the thickness of your door and lock it into place. If the through spindle turns out to be of the wrong length, use the included release tool to unlock and remove it, and select the correct length for your door. Evenly spread the included insulation in the top and bottom holes to prevent a thermal bridge. Mount the exterior smart lock panel and guide the spindle and cable through the mortise lock to the other side of the door. Select the 4 screws that match the width of your door with a minimum of 5 mm engagement. Now position your mounting bracket and guide the 4 screws back through the mortise lock and into the exterior smart lock panel. Do not use an electric screwdriver or too much force when tightening these screws, as this could damage the unit. If the mounting bracket feels loose, use a wire cutter to adjust the length of your screws, following the cut marks. Connect the cable to the back side of the interior smart lock panel. Remove the battery cover and the rubber plug at the bottom of the unit. Then fasten the interior smart lock panel to the mounting bracket using 3 small screws. Insert the batteries and reattach the battery cover and rubber plug. Before you close your door, perform the checklist found in your manual. Insert the emergency key into the exterior part of the lock and turn it. This will activate the door handle, allowing the latch bolt to be retracted. Now, while keeping the door open, try unlocking the door by entering 1234 on your touchpad, followed by hashtag. Now, close the door and see that the hook bolt pops out. If the gap between the strike plate and mortise lock is more than 2 mm when your door is closed, you'll need to space out the strike plate by adding the strike plate adapter. To change the master PIN from the preset factory code 1234*, press and hold function button for 3 seconds. Enter the default master PIN followed by star. Now, press 2 and star for the access menu, and then press 1 and star. Press 00 to access the master PIN memory slot, and press star to confirm. Now enter a new master PIN of your choice, followed by star. Enter your new master PIN again, followed by star. Now, confirm your new PIN by pressing the hashtag button. Congratulations! You have now installed your new Heimgard Smart Door Lock.